मैंने कभी नहीं किया आइटम सॉन्ग. That is the easier way to become popular. Like the amazing, beautiful women in our industry who do it are all wrong. That's not what I'm saying. Yeah.
बहुत लोग हैं, हमने ना बोला तो कोई ना कोई तो कर ही लेगा.
Of course. Like I was so against objectification of women.
तुम्हें यही आता है, लोगों की तालियां दिख रही है, तो तुम जो जिस चीज से नफरत करते हो वो करते करते तुम इतने सक्सेसफुल हो गए हो कि लोग ताली बजा रहे हैं.
This is a industry. It is extremely मतलब convoluted because आप artist हो लेकिन आप business में हो.
The newer generation does not want to sit with uncomfortable truth.
When we talk about Gen Z today, they really talk about mental health and they don't want to be pushed to the the extremes. But I feel like these things are good for human development.
Where it says cause and effect, karma and its defect.
But you know that the future of this world is going to be a lot of people becoming atheists. मुझे तो कभी-कभी लगता है मैं Gen Z हूँ.
Why?
देखो ना guys.
क्या देखती पब्लिक, powered by Vision Express. Hi guys, welcome to another episode of क्या देखती पब्लिक, powered by Vision Express. आज बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग एपिसोड होने वाला है बिकॉज आज हमारे बीच जो हैं, she has been not just scaling new heights as an actor in her projects, but also I have seen her change over a period of time as a human being. That is something that I highly respect. बहुत कम लोग ऐसे हैं जिनको मैं जानता हूँ on a personal level जो इस चेंज को एम्ब्रेस करते हैं. They like the fact that they can change their point of view, they can change themselves as people. So without further ado, let's just welcome in the studio Riddhi Dogra. Am I correct? Riddhi Dogra.
Riddhi Dogra.
Perfect.
Right.
She just corrected my spelling. तो RIDDHI नहीं है. So welcome in the house.
Thank you, Harshal. Thank you so much for such a nice introduction. I didn't expect it. You missed one thing. You've known me for a number of years as an actor, but also as a neighbor.
As a neighbor, yes.
That's why he's seen me grown and evolve.
Correct. Because otherwise you'll be like, how do you know that? So yeah, I have been neighbors with Riddhi, I think for 10 years now almost, है ना? 10 years से ज़्यादा हो गए.
Yes.
And it's been quite a journey. When I look back at whatever we've been doing television and events, and I've been choreographing stuff. Then I stopped choreography. I started making films. I started writing, and I know you ventured into, films and of course a lot of other projects that you're doing.
Yes.
So how has the journey been as an actor? Chalo, let's look back at it.
Okay, journey as an actor. Firstly, I think it's ongoing. The fact कि मैंने I think last year या last to last year ही film की है.
Correct.
तो मेरे लिए it's like okay, a new chapter has started again. But my journey, I've always find it very hard to answer this question. I'll tell you why. Because I'm or till now I have been a very go with the flow kind of a person.
Correct. So description से ज़्यादा ना एक हाँ या ना वाली जवाब देते. Did you think that you were going to be an actor? No.
I never thought, from Delhi, you don't really have those kind of aspirations, na? Growing up in the 90s, you don't, the world was such, it's not so easy to just come in and start and just become an actor. So no, I didn't want to be an actor, but I always knew that I want to be my own boss. So that I knew.
कि 9 to 5 वाला काम में
मैंने 9 to 5 किया. I worked in an office. I worked in 2-3 offices. And I was like, I was just testing waters कि मुझे ये करना या नहीं. But my answer was no. I can't let other people boss me.
So yeah, you were telling me about that. But then how did acting happen?
I think it happened because I was done with 9 to 5 jobs. Television channel में काम कर रही थी और वहाँ पे एक opportunity मिली. I'll be very honest. I got an opportunity to do a promo for my team and one of my relative, my uncle, he's an actor. तो उन्होंने मुझे बोला when he saw that promo that somebody is casting for a dance-based fiction show. And I was a dancer when I was in college and in Delhi. Shamak में थी जैसे आप थे student life में. तो I was like, oh my God, this is amazing. I'm going to not do 9 to 5 and I will get to dance.
Correct.
So let's do this. That's how it started.
And then once you get, like we spoke earlier also, once you start getting busy and start getting appreciated
And I think it's also like, I've heard your journey also. I feel like some of us were meant to come into this. You know, like ek hota hai na, that there are people who, there are lots of people or lots of things in our lives jisme hum struggle karte hain because it's our passion, we want to do it. And then there are some people who just get, like, things happen for them very easily. Struggle happens much later. Once your ethics come into the play, once your principles come in, your value system, your dilemmas will always be that. Lekin the journey to get into it is very simple. So I am one of those people that I came in and it was like, okay, ये भी हो गया, ये भी हो गया.
पलक झपकते ही वो धीरे-धीरे देखो तो 6 महीनों में तो चीजें होने लगी है.
Yeah, I was doing मतलब so much work in the first 3-4 years of becoming an actor.
And that's when you're busy, and that's like you said, no, कि there is no time to introspect, there is no time to like think, कि you're just going with the flow, with the flow.
In your 20s, you're so happy that you're just getting,
and your work is getting appreciated.
Your work is getting appreciated. You're making money, and we are so, like, in our 20s. I think when I call it young adults. You know, people say कि you're adults. I don't think 20s mein anybody's an adult. It's like introduction to adult.
Correct. 18 to 25 should be a different category.
18 to 30.
30, chalo.
Because you go through trials, tribulations, and the problem is, जैसे ही स्कूल में होता है ना, it's the same. Like आपको जब 5 years of age, 6, 7, आपको स्कूल में डाल दिया जाता है. You're not actually ready for school. You know, you need assistance. You need a lot of help. You need mummy, papa to drop you till the gate. You need teacher to take you to the class. Exactly like that is early adulthood, where you are given the idea that aap ready ho to come into the adult world, but you're not ready.
Correct.
And you know, you get a lot of experiences. So that's what was, and you're a sponge. You have no inhibitions. Life is beautiful.
Because you're not afraid of things, no? Because you've not seen too much of failure.
You don't have baggage.
There is no time for, and you've got so many rights कि अभी voting के भी right आ गए, license भी मिल रहा है, यहाँ भी जा सकते हैं. And then you're considered an adult, but you're not. You don't know how to drink responsibly, vote responsibly, drive responsibly. You're learning it on the job as you go.
Yeah.
Correct.
So I think for me, wo early 20s and doing my television stint and everything was all that. It was just like, oh my God, let's learn this. Oh, lights, yeah. And you know, so it was fun.
Everyone who believes in God is also an atheist, no?
Because
unless you believe in like a universal God and you don't believe in a religious God.
I don't believe
in a religious God.
I believe in all gods.
But then they don't believe in each other, no? If you know what I mean.
I don't think they don't believe in each other. If you see what message every God gives, it's the exact same.
Yeah, but see, again, their existence is not dependent on the likability of the message. If I tell you I have somebody who stays in my house who talks about these things, which is about loving each other, caring for each other. Now, because those things make sense to you, doesn't mean that person exists in my house, no? You know what I'm trying to say? Like, it's a bad analogy, but मैं कहूँ कि मेरे घर पे कोई है, एक है दादाजी, वो हमें बोल रहे हैं कि लोगों से प्यार करो, इंसान से प्यार करो, नफरत मत करो, इनको डिवाइड मत करो, ये मत करो. जो भी वैल्यूज हैं, जो हमें कोई भी धर्म सिखाता है, जो भी किसी भी धर्म में, मजहब में, भगवान की किताबों में लिखे हुए हैं, the 10 commandments and the Buddhists and the Christianity and whatever, values of religion as I say, धर्म. अगर मैं आपको कहूँ कि वो दादाजी मुझे वो सब सिखा रहे हैं और आपको भी वो पसंद आने लगे, उससे वो दादाजी सच में मेरे घर में है ये तो प्रूव नहीं होता ना. वो तो मैं आपको सिखा रहा हूँ क्योंकि मुझे चाहिए कि आप उन वैल्यूज में बिलीव करो और मैं भी करूँ और 4 लोग करें. तो मैं सबको बता रहा हूँ, सुनो दादाजी ये बोल रहे हैं मुझे.
हाँ, but it's not really about Dadaji. It's about what he's saying. Like, I believe matlab, if you pick any gods or anything, I mean, and I'm Hindu, so I'm coming from, a land of so many gods.
Correct.
What are they all seeped into? Nature, universe.
Correct.
Sun, moon, plants. It's the law of the law of universe, law of nature.
Correct.
That is God. And I have the logical brain to understand that all these people who have come down on planet Earth have come to be able to, like, if today, like, it's a very simple thing. I mean, I read books on afterlife. So when you go into an afterlife, again, somebody who does not believe in it can just completely stop
No, why? I want to know. I don't believe in afterlife.
No, okay.
But go on.
No, but then this doesn't make sense to you. Anyone who does not believe in afterlife, I'm not here to challenge them, but I'm saying that, like, anyone who passes away, they say that this person met somebody. So the point of why do you meet someone who's familiar is so that your soul can feel at ease. It's not कि ये exist करता है, यही सब कुछ है.
Peace of mind.
It's you, what works for you.
Closure,
And-
peace of mind,
Yeah,
security.
Yeah, like हमारा जो planet है, it's as much for an ant as it is for the dinosaurs, as it is for me. But हम सबकी realities अलग-अलग है. All of us have different realities. Now, human beings have minds which work and which makes us want to think
Conscious
we
mind.
are the be all and end all, and of course we have the conscious mind, so we want to be able to intelligently exercise what we think and उसमें क्या sense है क्या नहीं है, but I don't think it needs so much reading into. I feel it's all very simple, and yes, आप जिसको और उसको, and I'll tell you another thing. If you don't believe in God.
No, I don't.
Yeah, people who don't believe in God, ये मेरी reading है, and I know I'll get thrashed for it, but I feel people who don't believe in God and who actually question God, they actually believe more in God.
So
because I don't get, like, and I've had this discussion with my brother, and he was sitting and talking to me about God and whatever the concepts, and if God is present, then why this happened, that happened, and I want to know. So the fact that you want to know, I'm not saying my brother is an atheist, he's a practicing Buddhist and all of that, but I'm saying कि अगर आपको जानने की उत्सुकता है ना, तो you believe in God. You would be an atheist if you say this is nonsense. I believe in something else completely. I don't believe in this and I don't want to know because there's nothing there. But the fact that you question is what exactly God wants or spirituality demands. Your
the spirituality is a different term altogether for me.
Religion was constructed for it to become, matlab, teachable to human beings. Let's put it that way. Otherwise, we all are born with a certain spirituality in us. All of us.
But that's again human.
Because no, it's not. You see a cat, I mean, unko puja paat nahi aati, unko nahi, but they also know the value of having patience, of letting something be. They are not inhuman. Animals don't attack someone who does not attack them. They defend.
Correct.
What are these values?
Evolution.
No, it's evolution, yes. But it's also, see, how if you call it evolution, it's also interspersed, it's also interconnected to the way we live. Evolution,
yes, which is what evolution is. Life.
वही life है, वही God है. That's it.
But
ये terms और ये बोलना कि that is man-made. I feel like those terms, and we know this in the world today, that talking about various kind of concepts and theories around God is a very big, what do you say? Matlab, it's a huge market in itself.
Correct. Yeah. But also, I feel my book is based on that. My book is based on the negative impact
exactly.
of the belief in God, which is where I don't even blame God because I find it a non-entity. Like there is no existence. But if you, me and 10 other people in the studio start saying that there is, let's say, a small
this
kitten.
Is God.
No, there is a small kitten on this table. If everyone in the room buys into the concept, then there is nobody left in the room who will try and tell us that there is no kitten. Because we are all hell-bent on the kitten. Yes, thinking that there is a kitten, if it helps us individually to give us, like you said, peace of mind, you hit that nail on the head. Also, it helps us conduct ourselves better with each other. प्यार, मोहब्बत, भाईचारा, जो भी आप बोलो, ethics बोलो, जैसे आपने कहा कि animals also have that soul, they have that tenderness, they have empathy.
Empathy, pata nahi, survival they have.
Correct, but
and they also know don't touch something which can harm you. They have
correct,
that.
That's again something that we have made sense out of. Otherwise, for an animal, for a lion to kill and eat his own cub because it's not his cub, it's just an evolutionary trait that it has. Now, when I say God, I don't mean the God that you believe in. Every time I speak to a believer and they have this sensible and very logical point of view that you've had, Riddhi, okay, this is what God is. I am not talking about the God that makes sense to you because you're going to make sense. I know you as a person. I am talking about the God that is being sold in today's world and also bought at such a large scale that suddenly when I say कि आप आइसक्रीम खाते हो क्या, आप अपने घर की आइसक्रीम की बात नहीं कर सकते हो. मैं जब आइसक्रीम कह रहा हूँ ना, दुनिया में जो बट रही है, तो जब मैं कहता हूँ कि you believe in God and I don't believe in God. There is a chapter in my book which is talking about atheists and agnostics. Agnostics वो होते हैं जो don't know. But honestly speaking, even you don't know. Every believer doesn't know, every non-believer doesn't know. तो agnostic तो वो term है जो लोगों को बैलेंस करना होता है ना, कि गालियां नहीं खानी किसी से.
वो टर्म्स भी हमने ही बनाए.
Correct. तो होता क्या है कि I am an agnostic as far as the term God is concerned because I wouldn't know because I can't prove the non-existence. So I'm like यार, जब तक मैं prove नहीं कर सकता. But I am definitely an atheist in terms of the God that is being sold to mankind time and again through thousands of years and which is being used to divide and kill each other. Because there is no other animal which takes up a position of God. If God has created them, then there is a problem because God has created them and they are not fighting over the God. But then why did God create man as, then man is the biggest mistake God made. Because he's the last one to be created and he's the only one who's fighting on his name.
Yeah.
तो either God is extremely selfish, saying, सुनो, अभी मैंने सब कुछ बनाया, मगर कोई मेरी प्रार्थना तो नहीं कर रहा.
Big discussion.
तो कोई मुझे प्रे नहीं कर रहा. तो एक काम करते हैं, सबसे इवॉल्व चीज बनाते जो मुझे प्रे करे. क्योंकि तब तक तुमने पूरी सृष्टि बना ली है. जो कहते हैं किसी भी मजहब में, किसी भी धर्म में, किसी भी भगवान ने सब बनाया. तो जब तक बनाते गया, इंसान तक तो कोई भगवान को पूछ ही नहीं रहा था. तो भगवान ने सोचा यार ये तो बड़ी नाइंसाफी है, मैं इतना सब कर रहा हूँ, मुझे कोई नहीं पूछ रहा. ऐसी एक चीज बनाते जो रोज मुझे पूजे, मंगलवार को कुछ करे, गुरुवार को कुछ करे, जुम्मे के जुम्मे जाए और 5 बार माथा टेके. तो ये सब करने के लिए एक चीज बनाते हैं. अब वो जो चीज बनाई, वही चीज अगर एक दूसरे की जान ले रही और बाकी के लोग नहीं ले रहे जो भगवान ने बनाया, तो फिर ये सबसे बड़ी गलती हो गई ना यार.
Man-made ना.
That is what I'm saying. So that the God that is being sold is man-made. So I am trying to disprove that God. Otherwise, you can easily because evidence shows you.
You can as a individual.
But no, but you can always tell people like, नहीं, आपको नहीं लगता?
Waste of energy. Because
Not really. Yeah,
people are brainwashed.
Yeah, but
If people are brainwashed, they are only, I mean, you can tell people, and of course, of course, you can tell people, but we can all talk to each other and we can all agree to disagree. But the problem is people get really, really passionate.
Correct.
Intense. So you feel like, and personal. So you feel like, I much rather have you in a good headspace. तो अभी help मत करा.
ये मेरा कलेश नहीं चाहिए, conflict नहीं चाहिए, छोड़ दो.
Exactly. Because आधी time, most times when people fight with each other, they are talking about things that are fed to them. You remove those layers and at the end, every human wants peace, harmony, love.
Correct.
Every human being wants that.
And happiness.
But they are, it's like आपको fill किया हुआ है इतनी चीजों के साथ, वो layers को peel off करने में ही हम आपस में लड़ ले.
हाँ, मगर वो layers peel off करने की काबिलियत भी तो सब में, जैसे आपको भी वही feed किया गया है, मुझे भी वही feed किया गया है, बहुत सारे लोगों को वो feed किया गया है, मगर कुछ लोग बहकावे में आ रहे हैं. हम नहीं आ रहे. क्यों? क्योंकि हम वो काबिलियत रखते हैं कि हम करेक्ट. You question, you kind of speculate, you ask, you don't conform to everything that is given to you.
Yeah. Like I've been questioning religion since I was a kid. That's how I've arrived today at a point where I can say God is very personal to me.
Exactly.
I have questioned it since very young age, and questions which have come to my head, and I felt guilty also. I felt like, why do I need to go to the temple?
Correct.
I don't want to do this. And then I've got my questions. It's like my conscience has spoken to me and I've answered, and I found my way through life. Faith is a very personal relationship.
Correct.
It's not something that I would like to boast or talk about, or even मैं ये भी नहीं चाहती कि मैं किसी को convince करूं कि तुम दुनिया मेरी नजर से देखो.
Correct.
इतना personal है मेरे लिए. तो मुझे वो लगता है वो एक जो journey है या एक आप जो एक relationship develop करते हो, it's a very personal thing. So you have to just identify, is my religion making me more tolerant, or is it making me rigid and angry? Is it even making me loving and tolerant and turning me into a humanitarian, or am I becoming angry and livid and rigid and orthodox
and starting to hate other people who don't believe like me?
No religion teaches that. No religion.
And proponents of religion or proponents of God or believers of God who are peaceful about it
Yeah.
will always have that argument. But when you can see the global impact and you can see countries fighting over it, it's not just कि भाई एक छोटे से मोहल्ले में किसी नुक्कड़ पे हो रहा है. ये यार जिस स्तर पे हो रहा है, जो स्केल में हो रहा है. Do you believe the earth is flat? I'm asking you.
Yeah. No, I don't.
है ना? So, but there was a time when everyone thought it is.
Yeah.
That is my point of making sure that I talk to people about God,
Okay.
just so that they don't hate each other.
Yeah.
Here, Bhagwan ke naam, you can like the so if a kid comes and asks me, if there
I
is
just want to know, like, matlab, this hate, it is fed. I'm telling you.
everything is
It's subconscious.
correct.
Most people think कि no, ऐसा तो कुछ भी नहीं है.
जो उनको पता ही नहीं क्या है, उनके पर असर हो रहा है.
We come from media, we come from this industry. We know how things work.
Correct.
We know how, you know how to make your choreography, you know how to make your story, how to tell a story, what lighting to use,
Correct.
how to subtly get the audience to feel for you. You know it. I know how to act so that I get the reaction from you and I make you feel something without actually saying that I want you to feel this way.
Yeah.
So we know the tools that you can use to make an audience
react.
Correct. So we will always have a little more evolved point of view in this. Like मुझसे finance की बातें कर लो, उसमें शायद मेरा इतना, I will not have a banker's knowledge or an investment person's knowledge, but in this I would definitely have a little more inside knowledge. You would have inside knowledge ki how we can
Because we dissect those things with our lens, and our lens is that lens that you're saying. We know how to influence people.
lens, yeah. We are not influencing, we're telling a story. So anybody
भाई आपको रुलाना है तो आपको पता है कि ऑडियंस को कैसे रुलाना है, आपको पता है ऑडियंस को कैसे हंसाना है.
without telling the audience कि अब तुम रोगे.
Correct. The concept of willful suspension of disbelief. I feel religion,
News channels also now.
because news channels, it's a very good point. News channels are competing with whom?
GCs.
हाँ, क्योंकि 9 बजे एक ही डिब्बा है, ठीक है, हर घर में एक डिब्बा है. अब आप क्या लगाओगे? तो आप क्या लगा रहे हो? वहां पे कुछ सास और बहू का कुछ हो रहा है, या आप कट करोगे तो कहीं पे कुछ एक छोटी सी बच्ची जिसकी शादी हो चुकी है और उसकी लाइफ में क्या हो रहा है, या कोई एक औरत है जो नाग बन रही है, कोई सर्प बन रही है. या कट करोगे तो 7 लोग एक घर में रह रहे हैं 3 महीने के लिए और दूसरे से झगड़ रहे हैं. अब इनके बीच में तुम्हें और एक कोई चाहिए जो चिल्लम चिल्ली करे, तो वो बंदा सोचता है भाई ये देखो ये सब हो रहा है, ये छोड़ के मेरे चैनल पे लोग क्यों आएंगे जब मैं ये जो झगड़ रहे 7 लोग है उससे ज्यादा करूंगा, वो जो लड़की सर्प बन रही है उससे कुछ ज्यादा कंट्रोवर्शियल बनाऊंगा या उसको बुलाऊंगा. That is where news channels got corrupted, because news channels are now competing with the same and the
TRPs,
TRPs.
competing for TRPs, which is very, 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 very sad, I would say.
बट वो गेम ही है ना, और जैसे ही तुम उस गेम में हो, आप भी उस गेम में हो, मैं भी उस गेम में हूँ, तो जब तुम अंदर होते हो ना एंड तुम उस चीज का हिस्सा हो, तो कभी कभी बहुत बुरा लगता है. मुझे तो बहुत, बिकॉज आई एम लाइक यार,
बहुत.
I am adding fuel to that fire which I want to distinguish.
I'm not adding any fuel.
Oh, we are.
Yeah.
We are a part of that system which we have to
We
add.
also get turned into the wheel.
Because हमारा काम है ना, वो हमें मिलते हैं उसके पैसे कि भाई ये गाना करो, इस गाने में ये दिखाओ. अब वो नहीं करना है मगर करना पड़ रहा है.
मैं नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैंने कभी नहीं किया आइटम सॉन्ग, बिकॉज इसीलिए मैंने नहीं किया, बिकॉज मुझे आई डोंट नो,
नहीं बराबर बोलो. I want
to like I was so against objectification of women and I'm from Delhi, तो मुझे इतनी प्रॉब्लम थी दिल्ली में कि why should I go out and always have a phone, and why do I need to call my parents? My brother can go anywhere easily, all the boys can do whatever they want. Why do I need 4 friends to go with me? या फिर मैं public transport नहीं ले पाती थी दिल्ली में. It's not that you want to, everyone wants luxury. लेकिन when you're growing up 18, 19, 20, you want to be independent.
Yeah.
You say, I don't want my parents to call me. I don't want them to know where I am, even if you're not doing anything. But so
that independence. Feeling of independence.
But I didn't have that in Delhi. I always had a driver, I had a car. मेरे तो my father, I think नया phone आया था, like mobile phones had just come in and he bought one for me. So I was the only one amongst my friends to have a mobile phone. So all the parents had that one number.
So that they could call to speak to their. Yeah.
So, but I didn't I felt very restricted about it.
Chained.
Yeah.
To some extent.
Correct. So when I became an actor, and especially I think after Nirbhaya, that rape that happened, it shook me. Harshal, it shook me so much that I said, यार मैं नहीं कर सकती ऐसा काम जहाँ पे मुझे एक दिन के लिए भी, एक शॉट के लिए भी ऑब्जेक्टिफाई किया जाएगा. how can I justify to the girl in me जो Delhi में compass लेके या लाल मिर्च लेके ऑटो में बैठती थी,
हाँ.
you know, so that I feel safe. How can I justify it? Because I'm allowing the male gaze, I'm allowing them to look at a girl and check her out. I'm
Correct.
like standing there and saying, yeah, I love dancing.
Yeah.
I love to do it. You know, that's what I know. There's a part of me also that says I love dancing, so I'll do it. But I feel much bigger than that is the fact that no, thousands of girls will feel unsafe because I am promoting that it's okay for men to look at me.
Look at a girl like that.
Yeah.
You're facilitating that gaze.
I am.
Yeah, and
I don't want to. I'm not saying that the most like the amazing beautiful women in our industry who do it are all wrong. That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying कि ये मेरी evolution है. ये मेरा दिमाग यहाँ तक पहुँच गया है कि मैं ऐसा सोच चुकी हूँ. तो I have to answer to what my brain says. For somebody else, it happens a little later. Like you know, I've seen all through my childhood and whatever, there's a pattern for female actresses. This is, I'm saying, when I was an audience, they all do masala films, and then suddenly when they get the branding of what they are, then they say, now I don't want to do films like this. Now I want to do intelligent films.
Content filled and story and all of that.
But there are actors like me who have said from the first go that I don't want to do films like that. That is the easier way to become popular.
Yeah.
So, and I actually, I'm digressing maybe, but I actually wanted to say it publicly that why don't we ever recognize and appreciate actors? And I'm not saying you recognize and appreciate me, but I'm saying why don't we appreciate actresses who actually take this road?
Yeah.
We don't appreciate them. We appreciate, we don't appreciate women only. We
do because they're thought of as
objects.
Yeah.
So I feel like for the coming generation, for the girls that are growing up, for the little girls right now, I think we should spend more time appreciating girls or women like me who have decided to not take up a particular route and stick to their guns, be patient, have the perseverance to still have a career of whatever, 15 years and not compromise on, your values, even for a day.
Just because darwaze pe offer hai.
Exactly. And wo offer nahi bhi hoga na, if I today say, I'm okay to do this, I'll get 10 offers.
Yeah, I know. Because once you open that floodgate, again.
And then you will, as a woman, you'll also sit and say, no, I don't agree with this. After 5 years, you'll say, I don't like it. And this is not how our country should be viewing this. I have a problem with this storytelling. Can you first be accountable with what you're doing? Like rather than going about town and telling everybody what to do.
And like you rightly said, it affects different people differently. It affects you because you've lived a journey. You have a town where you lived that.
Yeah.
And you've seen that. And then there was a case which shook the entire country, probably the entire world. And that had such an impact.
Yeah.
Okay, you're like, I can't, for the love of God, I can't be adding more fuel to this kind of a... And that, like you said, a few people get, a few people... It doesn't affect.
No, I feel like we, हर चीज वो ही आ जाती है. सब अपनी journeys पे हैं. Even what you were saying about religion, कि how it's sold.
Yeah.
Same thing applies on these matters also.
Yeah.
What are we selling? What are we talking about? हम popular media में किस type की I would say female representation को आप appreciate करते हो?
हाँ.
You will talk about somebody having Botox, but you will appreciate them only.
Yeah.
Why? Appreciate the natural lookers.
Correct. You are aging naturally.
Or, forget aging, but appreciate the ones who are doing the fillers will stop doing fillers.
Yeah.
Because you're focusing more on appreciating the natural.
And you're giving that more value. So once that starts getting more value, people will stop doing it because they go to where value is.
But you as in popular media enjoy the whole, it's not even those girls' fault.
Yeah.
You enjoy raising them high, then bringing them down.
Yeah.
Raising another high, bringing her down. But you don't want to follow the level-headed people who are not, going crazy and who are not doing extreme things. You're not interested.
Yeah, because they're consistent.
Because they are so boring and consistent.
Consistency is boring.
You drama.
It's just boring. There is no up and down. No, so then there is a roller coaster.
I'm seeing all this like a game. Yeah. It's nice.
But I admire you for that as well because I've seen you consistently make choices and stick to them saying, this is what I want to do, this is what I don't want to do.
Yeah.
Now, what I want to do, if it's limited,
it's fine.
It's fine.
It's fine.
But I will draw that line.
Sleep well at night.
Correct.
I don't want to be miserable and think I did this and I didn't do that because of this and all of that.
So one of the reasons why I refrain from choreography, if you read Andre Agassi's book, he hates to play tennis, but that's the only thing the poor guy knows how to do well.
Wow.
Now that's such a paradox. Like if you read his book called Open, he goes on to say, यार मेरे पिताजी ने मुझे बचपन से मार मार के यही सिखाया, तो मुझे पिताजी से भी नफरत हो गई कुछ हद तक और इस गेम से भी नफरत हो गई, बट जब तक मुझे उस चीज का एहसास हुआ मैं सारी चीजें जीत रहा था. अब तुम वहां पहुंच गए हो जहां तुम छोड़ भी नहीं सकते, क्योंकि तुम और करोगे क्या, तुम्हें यही आता है, लोगों की तालियां दिख रही है, तो तुम जो जिस चीज से नफरत करते हो वो करते करते तुम इतने सक्सेसफुल हो गए हो कि लोग ताली बजा रहे हैं. अब तुम सोच रहे हो अब छोड़े कैसे, छोड़े तो कैसे छोड़े, मतलब यही तो आता है. और तुम अभी ग्रैंड स्लैम जीत, मतलब वर्ल्ड टॉप 10 में नंबर 1 पे एक टाइम पे वो था बंदा, जब वो कह रहा था यार आई यूज्ड टू गेट अप विद सो मच पेन इन माय बैक एंड सो मच ट्रॉमा इन माय हेड कि इट्स जस्ट डिस्टर्बिंग. क्या करना है, रोज जाके वही फिर ठंडे पानी में शावर लो आधे घंटे के लिए, खुद को ट्रीट करो, फिर पेन किलर्स खाओ, फिर वही करने जाओ जो तुम्हें नहीं करना है, मगर वही तुम्हें आता है. और दुनिया को ये कभी पता नहीं होने दिया उसने, because once he released the book is after he retired. So I also have never spoken out on this, but when I started choreography, especially when I was doing choreography with A.R. Rahman, so live performances, so the high you get, when the man comes with a mic and says Dil Se, and the entire Eden Gardens, 1 lakh log chilla rahe, और फिर you do a humma humma and you're dancing like a maniac because you're like ये देखो. And I had trained myself in New York with hip hop and with those b-boying, and तो मैंने वो कोरियोग्राफी शुरू की थी यहाँ पे. सो दैट वाज द हाई. बट वंस यू स्टार्ट गेटिंग सक्ड इनटू द प्रोफेशन, अम्ब्रेला ऑफ अ प्रोफेशन, you can't just be doing that. You will tomorrow get a film where you're teaching a Vipasha. You will get an award show where you're teaching a Katrina and then you're teaching a Kareena. अब इनके ड्रेसेस ना हर 3 महीने में हम डांस कर रहे हैं उन्हीं के साथ, उन्हीं गानों पे. अब वो गाने ओरिजिनली हमने देखे हुए हैं, अब मुझे वो गाने वैसे देखने पर ही बुरा लग रहा है, मगर आज मैं वो शो कर रहा हूँ तो मुझे वही गाना दिया जा रहा है और उस गाने का सिग्नेचर स्टेप तो करना ही पड़ेगा अवार्ड शो में, बिकॉज दैट इज व्हाट द वर्ल्ड नोज करीना टू बी डूइंग एंड कटरीना टू बी डूइंग, एंड शी हैज डन सच ग्रेट वर्क. बट व्हेन द इवेंट इज हैपनिंग यू आर लुकिंग एट हर एज एन ऑब्जेक्ट हु इज डांसिंग ऑन फेविकॉल से. अब वो फेविकॉल से करना ही है तो मुझे भी करना ही पड़ रहा है, तो मैं मेरे असिस्टेंट्स को बोल रहा हूँ करो, उसके साथ और 40 गर्ल्स नाच रही हैं. समवेयर आई स्टार्टेड फीलिंग डिस्टर्ब्ड, सिंग यार टिकली के कलर बदल रहे हैं, वही 2 हाथ और 2 पैर है और कुछ स्टोरी टेलिंग नहीं है जो रियलिटी शो में हमें फिर भी करने मिल रही थी. रहमान में जो फ्रेंजी था कि ऑडियंस के लिए परफॉर्म कर रहे हो, दैट्स नॉट हैपनिंग एनीमोर. दिस इज समथिंग वेयर यू हैव टू गो एंड मीट द बेस्ट ऑफ एक्ट्रेसेस, द बेस्ट ऑफ डिजाइनर्स, एंड ऑल ऑफ अस आर इन दैट रेस एंड इन दैट रट, एंड समवेयर लाइक यू सेड all of us are somewhat conflicted, not to the extent where Riddhi is conflicted, where she has got that threshold saying enough is enough, मैं नहीं करूंगी.
But we are always conflicted. If
Correct.
not that, I'll have another conflict.
Correct. तो धीरे धीरे करते करते it became so much that after a point I'm like नहीं, अब नहीं हो रहा मुझसे, मुझे नहीं कर, क्या होगा, आज ये हीरोइंस हैं, कल आके नई हीरोइंस आ जाएंगी, फिर उनके गाने होंगे, वही करना है, वही टिकली है, सिर्फ लाल की जगह पीली है, नीली है, हरी है, वही 4-50 डांसर है पीछे, वही हो रहा है, लोग ताली बजा रहे हैं और उसकी टीआरपी मिल रही है बिकॉज यू आर वेयरिंग अ बुस्टियर, यू आर वेयरिंग अ ट्यूब, यू आर वेयरिंग दिस घाघरा, एंड लिरिक्स आर ऑल्सो लाइक दैट. तो बट एज अ कोरियोग्राफर व्हेन यू आर डूइंग इट यू कांट स्पीक बिकॉज पीपल विल से क्या बकवास कर रहा है, तेरे को इसी के पैसे मिल रहे और तू इसी को गाली दे रहे. द ओनली वे यू कैन से इट इज इफ यू स्टॉप डूइंग इट, कॉन्शियसली सेइंग आई विल नॉट डू इट. And to do that as a choreographer also when you're in demand is very difficult because तुम बोल रहे हो फिर अभी नहीं करो.
We are constantly battling. I mean, this is just two, I think, artists.
Yeah.
Two artists talking to each other. This is a industry. It is extremely मतलब convoluted because आप आर्टिस्ट हो लेकिन आप बिजनेस में हो.
हाँ.
वो in itself is
A conflict.
Is a big conflict. So that's always going to bother us because एक तरफ आपको लगता है यार I'm an artist but look I'm able to make money. And then when you get into the making money bit you're like oh my god this is my artistry is going away. So then what do you do? And a lot of people find a very good balance. We know a lot of people in our industry who, of course, also have, luck plays a huge part. Timing plays a huge part. The right people, which is a part of destiny, luck, timing, everything. And then you're able to say, you know what, this is how I'll preserve the artist in me. And this is business.
And this strike that balance.
That balance, we are all striking that balance in our own way.
नहीं यार, कभी-कभी मेरे से छूट जाते हैं.
सबसे छूटता है, but सबसे छूटता है. Even someone at top से छूटता है. It's not like
and I then appreciate those people also जो unapologetically कर रहे हैं कि यार ये है, धंधा है तो धंधा है, मेरे को पैसे कमाने हैं.
बिल्कुल.
मुझे जो बोलोगे मैं करूँगा.
Yeah. Because I feel like, Harshal, if you get clear-cut 50 opportunities, you will do it. If you do one good thing and that gives you 4 more things, you'll say, yeah, chalo, let's put my head in and deliver.
Yeah.
That's it.
But then
you'll find a way to maintain, to keep the artist safe. You'll find a way. Because
by doing like things like my show, my film, separately.
In suppose suppose someone's come with a business model and said, we want you to churn this. You will be in a dilemma. Oh my God, I have to do this for money.
Yeah.
And knowing you, the little that I know you right now, hearing you, but you will also find a way to infuse your artistry. कि यार इसमें कुछ तो हो मेरे लिए. You will find something.
वो तो है. So
and that will keep you alive.
But see, infusing the artistry, infusing creativity, infusing your craft. Now, it's like saying, अगर आपको एक अच्छा सा आइटम नंबर मिले ना, जहाँ बहुत माइंड ब्रेन डांस है, तो आप डांस तो करोगे.
I did television.
Correct.
Everyone looks down on television. Everyone thinks television is nothing. It's, very bad, blah, blah, blah. But I always went on a TV set exactly the same way as I am on a film set or a OTT set now, which is I went as a student and my endeavor हर रोज बस यही होता था, I have to add value to this day.
True.
That
Absolutely.
is, so I never went with the, oh my God, I'm doing TV. Oh
Correct.
God, I hate it. Oh God, I look down upon these people. Oh my God, look at him, वो तंबाकू खा रहे. I never looked like that. I just went with 4 people. I found this thing, that one person is sensible.
Yeah.
Go to that person. You are the storyteller. I will sit with you. कैसे scene को better करना है? मुझे सिखाओ, बताओ मुझे scene कैसे. That's it. Because most people think TV में हाँ, you make lots of money, but they look down upon it for anybody, whether it's crew, cast, anything. But I feel like I learned, it was a school for me. So that's what I meant to say. That you will preserve your artistry.
Yes, you will. But what you're doing along with the artistry, if it's completely against your values, no problem. Like you love to dance.
Yeah.
I'll give you a great piece of choreography. Yeah. But if that piece of choreography is pasted on an item number rather than on a slick jazz, burlesque or anything else that I'm doing, suddenly it's off the storyline. Yeah. It's suddenly
off my story.
Correct. So no matter how great your dancing is, and no matter how well I choreograph it,
it's empty.
Yeah. Empty. So similarly, I have used the best of concepts or props or some unique ideas in an act which I don't want to do in the first place because the act itself is something which, forget exciting. Exciting तो ठीक है. It's a little demeaning. No, it's like यार तुम ये कर रहे हो क्या? ये क्यों कर रहे हो? ये देखो ना इनको कौन देखने वाला है? And then again, like you said, that Nirbhaya case or whatever. Now, I have a daughter. So now it's even worse for me because I'm seeing her grow up. Yeah. She's too young right now.
Yeah.
But even at that time, if your conscience tells you, blessed are those who don't have that mind, who are just doing it blindly and उनको ना बेचारे को उनको इल्म ही नहीं है कि वो लोग क्या, क्योंकि उनको किसी ने सवाल ही नहीं किया, उनके खुद के गिरेबान में झांकने के उनके पास वक्त नहीं है, काबिलियत भी नहीं है.
But I also feel कि ना, मतलब मुझे ये लगता है कि इस point पे what you're saying कि you're right, some people don't get to maybe ask those questions to themselves or they don't have that inner dialogue. But I feel like we all have a certain journey.
Yeah.
Like your inner dialogue or my inner voice speaking to me, it's not planted from anywhere.
Yes.
It's a very personal thing. That means it's my soul's journey.
Yes.
So even for people who are, suppose, making lots of money, crores and crores of money, आजकल तो crores ऐसे फेंकते हैं social media. It's such a capitalist word. It's become that everyone's just talking in crores and lakhs and whatever. So I feel like maybe it's their lifetime to do.
Yeah.
So they don't necessarily have to sit down and, and I'll also share this, that a lot of people who are probably making lots of money, they also have their own evolution.
Yeah.
Right? And their evolution is just different. We all have different evolution.
And that's why I don't judge anyone.
Yeah, we can't
I
judge it.
can't, because I'm like, यार तुम्हारी अपनी एक कहानी है,
Yeah.
तुम्हारी अपनी एक जर्नी है, तुम्हारी अपनी एक वैल्यू सिस्टम है.
Yeah,
किसी की भी वैल्यू सिस्टम अच्छी या बुरी नहीं है. मैं सिर्फ ये कह रहा हूँ कि मैं ऐसा हूँ.
correct.
तो आई एम नॉट सेइंग आई एम बेटर ऑफ देन यू और मोर इंटेलेक्चुअल. आई एम जस्ट सेइंग इट्स अनकंफर्टेबल फॉर मी.
Yeah.
अब अगर कॉफी मुझे अच्छी लग रही है, किसी और को कड़वी लग रही है, तो है ना यार, वैसे ही उल्टा है.
Yeah.
कुछ
Even
काम मुझे नहीं ठीक लग रहे.
people who are at the top or who
Yeah, yeah.
have the most money, there must be something they're uncomfortable
Yes.
with, which can take them somewhere else.
Which you and me might be okay with for all you know.
Yeah, but I'm saying that all of us have blockages. All of us have. It's just that जब आपका when your sun is rising, everyone just looks at the good things in him. Nobody is really interested in what demons are you battling. Neither are you.
Yeah.
Because you're like, I don't want to sit with my demons right now. The sun is shining from my ass.
Correct.
I want to just keep,
तवा गरम है, रोटी सेक लो भाई, कुछ नहीं कर
ये
सकते
हम
हो.
सबके साथ है कि we want to be positive. We all have a set of demons and things that hold us back, things that push us down or distract us and all of that.
And especially actors or rather technicians who are in the industry,
Creative people.
and people who are in this industry where there is no security. There are then 2-3 months, 4 months, sometimes 6 months where you are at home. पहले कब कॉल आएगा, किसी का तो कॉल आए, कुछ तो हो. और तब जब कॉल आ जाता है तो तुम ना कैसे, तुम्हारी एथिक्स और मोरालिटी है भाई, मगर 6 महीने बाद किसी ने कॉल किया है, कुछ है, हो रहा है बड़ा, और तुम्हें उसने प्रायोरिटाइज किया है. ऐसा नहीं है कि अकेला कोरियोग्राफर हूं मैं या आप अकेली एक्टर हो. बहुत लोग हैं, हमने ना बोला तो कोई ना कोई तो कर ही लेगा. तो कई बार मैंने ऐसे भी प्रोजेक्ट्स किए कि देख तू ना बोलेगा, किसी को नहीं समझेगा, तो कोई ना कोई करने वाला है, तो तू ही कर ले क्योंकि कॉल तुझे पहले आया है, तो तू कर ले भाई. एंड देन यू स्टार्ट. मगर वही है कि then again there's an inner conflict. Anyways,
That's probably the person that we are.
yeah,
Because not so many people don't think so.
exactly. And I don't judge them. I
तो feel they're blessed.
I tell you ना, blessed are those people who don't sit in the night saying मुझे रात को नींद नहीं आ रही. अरे तुझे रात को कुछ भी करके अगर नींद आ रही है तो कितना खुश है.
Yeah, people take melatonin and sleep. They're like, I don't feel नींद नहीं आ रही, मैं melatonin.
पूरा दिन मैंने जो किया वो किया, रात को मैं सोऊंगी. So yeah, that happens, yeah. But now that you're doing films, okay, and the most cliched question that you must have faced, either off camera or on camera, कि यार फर्क क्या है टीवी में. मुझे लगता है कि एक्टिंग होती है, कोरियोग्राफी होती है, म्यूजिक होता है. माध्यम कभी कभी आपको थोड़ा बहुत जैसे कहते हैं ना कि स्टेज की एक्टिंग फिर भी मैं समझ सकता हूँ कि स्टेज की एक्टिंग थोड़ी अलग है क्योंकि उसकी डिमांड अलग है. बट टेलीविजन हो या फिल्म हो, आपके लेंस के हिसाब से आपका क्लोजअप कटना है, ये है. बट अदरवाइज आई एम सेइंग एज अ culture. I'm not just saying as an actor. You've been on a television set and on a film set, now on an OTT set. As a culture, is it different on the set? लोगों का नजरिया अलग अलग है. Like you said, a lot of people look down upon TV. And I have at a point chosen to do TV leaving films because फिल्मों के जो गाने आ रहे थे तभी वो MTV, Channel V के लिए हम 2-2 2.5 मिनट की म्यूजिक वीडियोस बना रहे थे. And TV gave us that reality शो काइंड ऑफ प्लेटफॉर्म, तो जहां तुम्हें तुम्हारा काम दिखाने का मौका है. मनी एंड 3 महीने 4 महीने चालू है, तो वो सिक्योरिटी भी है. प्लस आई एम टेलिंग स्टोरीज दैट आई वांट टू टेल.
Absolutely.
सो आई नो फॉर मी हाउ फिल्म सॉन्ग्स आर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम टेलीविजन सॉन्ग्स और शोज और रियलिटी. एज एन एक्टर, हाउ डिफरेंट इज द कल्चर इन एन OTT, इन अ फिल्म वर्सेस अ टीवी?
I think for television, firstly, I feel like they're all different mediums, whether you do street play. I think the part of for an actor or for a technician, for anybody, it's to be able to adapt to different mediums.
True.
That's it, right?
True.
So TV, I feel you can compare it to a factory. That's it. It's like a factory. So it is actually a great place to hone your skills. You are, वो बोलते हैं ना कि
आर्मी जैसा है.
आर्मी जैसा है वो. It's a drill. Repeatedly you have to do the same thing. 9 o'clock you have to sit for makeup, 10 o'clock you have to, I mean, I think now we hear a lot of film actors saying कि हम 90s में 80s में 3 shifts करते थे. I think TV actors not now because now they don't last for that long, but till I think about हमारे time तक जब तक हम लोग जो मेरा एक group generation है, हम जब TV कर रहे थे तो ऐसा ही था, 12 hours, 13 hours, 14 hours, 1 year, 1.5 year, we are just working, we are at it, हमारे tiffins packed है, हर महीने salary आ रही है हमें, and we have to show up.
Correct.
So I think there is a student-like quality that comes in you. You learn to adapt, teamwork. You're not. So how it's different is आपको अगर थिएटर में बहुत समय मिलता है रिहर्स करने का, रिहर्सल में ही नशा है, उसी का मजा है. That you as an actor are getting to rehearse and develop and do all of that. TV is the place where you just have to, I don't know, submit to your teams and work with the team. It's a great place actually for leadership also.
Yeah.
You just take the lead and say, okay, fine, you want this, I will do it for you. And it's like every day. So what a great place.
Yeah, and time management again, because I remember all actors, including you all finish your shifts, you all finish your whatever you'll do, and then you all come for rehearsals if you'll do any event and event. तो रात को 9-10 बजे 9 से 9 काम करके 10 से 10 काम करके आप लोग आ रहे हो, फिर रात को 1 बजे तक रिहर्सल कर रहे हो, because then you have to remember this, because 3 दिन में ये भी करना है for something else, and that time management like you said, तो वो तैयारी है actually.
तैयारी है. If there have been times मेरे co-actor को कहीं जाना है, टीवी की बात कर रही हूँ, तो उनको जाना है, वो 1 महीने के लिए जा रही है, इसीलिए आज वो मतलब she is doing her 20 scenes.
हाँ.
Okay, now those scenes are happening in close-ups, okay, because 20 scenes in a day is not possible.
Correct.
2 units लगे हुए हैं, 1 unit उनका चल रहा है, अब आपको उसमें आपका भी अलग शूट चल रहा है और आपको जाके उनके साथ कुछ scenes करने हैं. Now this is all great practice because you're not going there and saying, oh my God, she has to go, so I have to do. No, we meet and we say, how do we make it?
Correct.
How do we not cheat our audience?
Yeah.
You are going and we can definitely do it poorly. I'll sit here, you sit here. Let's look into our cameras and say what we have to. But no, let's be true to our characters. Let's try and build हमारा interpersonal जो है हमारे characters का. This is creative.
उनको नहीं समझ में आना चाहिए कि आप जल्दी चले गए. उनको नहीं पता चलना चाहिए.
Let's do it in a way which is we are not cheating our audience. We are delivering to the audience what they expect from these two characters. If my character is I'm the daughter-in-law, you're the mother-in-law, and you love me and we have a really warm relationship, then let's show it in these close-ups.
Correct.
जिसमें time is of the essence. आपको भागना है और रात के 3 बज गए हैं. But that is the kind of, I think, I would say what you give.
Yeah.
And वो मैंने television में ही सीखा.
Because it's like a school, it's like an academy.
It is like a school. Every day you're getting fresh, hot from the oven, you get your scenes.
New syllabus.
It's exactly like, a classroom में जैसे
chapter मिलता है और उसके बाद एक शाम को तुम्हारी एग्जाम होने वाली है.
I mean, we have done so many shoots where we are actually like, कल का telecast है, कितने scenes हो गए, we are schedule and tick mark हो रहा है, तो it used to feel like I'm giving an exam. कि I'm not ready.
Also, I think it prepares you to handle your own anxiety.
Of course.
Because you go through that situation जहाँ तुम्हें पता है कि तुम्हारे producers, तुम्हारे channel वाले, क्योंकि as a choreographer also sometimes you're like, यार ये आज नहीं खत्म हुआ तो ये गाना ही कट जाएगा, टेलीकास्ट टू योर मेरी करना है, तो तुम्हारे अंदर जो चालू है ना, जो केओस, जो स्टॉर्म्स, उसको सेटल करते हुए क्रिएटिविटी भी लानी है. जैसे आपको भी वो केओस को बंद करके परफॉर्म भी करना है, बिकॉज टीवी पे तुम्हारी शक्ल पे जो दिख रहा है वही दिख रहा है, अंदर जो
I can't tell you the number. There was one, एक बार ऐसा हो रहा था, मुझे याद है, हम पंजाब में शूट कर रहे थे and the scene was, there was a train, okay, a train is coming in and we are shooting on a railway platform and my director wanted to capture the sunset. It's always the magic hour which is driving everybody crazy.
5:30 से 6:30
So
दुनिया यहाँ की वहाँ हो जाए, कैमरा और डायरेक्टर पागल हो जाए.
Yes, so my director suddenly like, train aa rahi hai and we've got the sun, and I, how it is, you're sitting, matlab you're on standby, but you can't suddenly get up, and my director's running, he fell, the cameraman fell, and then you are aware that we have to get it done. You're not thinking, अरे वो तो गिर गए, अब थोड़ी होगा. You're not talking like that. You're like, okay, where do I move? This is my mark. Okay, I'm ready.
Ready. उठो आप लोग चालू करो.
The moment you say action, zen.
Correct.
There is none of that chaos that was happening where camera गिर गया, director गिर गया, उनको लग गई है, whatever. But when you come in front of that camera and then there is action, that is I don't know. I feel like, yes, when we talk about Gen Z today, they really talk about mental health and they don't want to be pushed to the to the extremes. But I feel like these things are good for human development to a certain point.
Yeah.
I mean, your entire life can't be so stressful.
Yeah.
But ये चीजें especially youth में बहुत सही होती हैं. They are very good to develop your.
It's like saying I don't want to go to the gym. Why? Because my body aches after it. Arey, boss, that is the whole point.
Who say that, and I find it very cute.
And I'm like, your mind hurts. Arey, but the mind is supposed to hurt.
Yeah,
That's what you're also trying to say. And
you push yourself to the limit to know what your limits are.
today's, exactly. You push yourself to the limit to know that limit. And sometimes it's not everyone's cup of tea. All actors can't deliver, all technicians can't. Television is not everyone's cup of tea, but at least doing it.
Give it due at all.
Yes.
बिल्कुल हम बेकार की बातें discuss करते हैं टीवी के बारे में, and like even in films, I feel like this nepotism is such a stupid thing to talk about. I feel like हम में से किसकी लाइफ में नेपोटिज्म नहीं है? We all have nepotism. We all at some point have been favored. We have favored people. We have taken care of people we can, using our, whatever our resources.
Yeah.
If someone is working in my house and I will say, okay, I'll get your daughter to go into a public school.
Correct. Only her daughter, not other maids.
That's right. So she'll go back to her house. अब उसकी जो neighbor है वो बोलेगी, your daughter is getting, mine is not. Simple.
That's opportunity, circumstances, life.
So, like again, I feel like हम पता नहीं कौन से topics पे touch upon करके we just, like I feel like instead of nepotism, we should talk to people from the industry about legacy. Like, don't talk to them about nepotism. Let them talk about the legacy that they come from. Because that's how you will build entertainment. Or when you talk to people in television, don't talk to them about what do you think, how is no, talk to them about the grind of television.
Yeah.
How there are so many people who've given their lives and souls to the craft, to the art of doing what you see on camera. Yes, वो ढिशोम and those edits, वो हमारे, आप उसे editor से बात कीजिए, वो एक actor के बस में नहीं होता. And but I feel like somewhere popular culture is not doing, or journalism these days is not doing any, there's no soul searching. We are not really talking about the stuff that matters.
Because I feel, so to put it in one sentence, the more I'm reading psychology these days, the more I'm understanding. The newer generation does not want to sit with uncomfortable truth. Anything that's uncomfortable for you.
I don't think so.
No, they don't want to. They don't want to go through that grind, which is like, this is a little uncomfortable for me.
I actually feel the opposite. I feel like I have a take on Gen Z, which is little humane. I feel like, firstly, I feel Gen Zs are a product of millennials. I'll tell you how. Because I don't know which generation you belong to, but I feel like millennials were the first ones to talk about mental health. We were the first.
In our country, yes. 80s. Yeah.
In most countries, millennials were the first ones to say depression, to say anxiety, to have a counselor. Like if you see Dil Chahta Hai, to speak this thing. And usme there's a therapist. ये हमारे लिए नए concepts थे. It was very cool to, we suddenly saw, अच्छा ऐसा भी होता है, or whatever. So, but what I feel is happening with Gen Z, I mean, all it's my limited knowledge and I'm not really...
No, but it's your take on it. It's an opinion. And we should always have...
Yeah, what I see. I feel like they are having so much in-your-face information that they are overstimulated and they are overexposed.
Yes.
Hence, they are saying, we don't have the... We don't
That's
want...
why there's a shutdown from time to time on different things.
That's why they are saying, like, if millennials were the ones who said, hey, we should go to therapy, Gen Zs are the ones who are normalizing it.
Yeah.
Like in millennials, we didn't normalize it. We were just doing it. And then
and only some of us were doing it. Everyone wasn't, because it was still looked down upon by the orthodoxy and the...
But I would say that because we were so close to the Gen X or the boomers who were not at all okay with it. We were very close to them. But I think Gen Zs and millennials who can work very well together. मुझे तो कभी-कभी लगता है मैं Gen Z हूँ.
Because वो तुम update करते रहते हो ना खुद को.
Yeah, because I feel like I get them. I get that they don't have time for extra riffraff. I get it. I don't like feel, or the fact that they don't want to put up with the toxic work culture. it's not that they are मतलब
Again, for me that is
नहीं है
नहीं. I feel they don't want to sit with uncomfortable truths. Again,
or
that is what I.
overstimulated. They are just
That is true. I'm not saying that is not true.
Patience with
हाँ, but they've not built that. तो कभी भी it's also they can afford. See, our generation beyond a point. I call our generation मतलब the kids who were born in the 80s and 90s are the kids who are.
yeah. So then that's millennials,
So that's second generation of an independent country, which is finding its roots.
right?
So इसीलिए ना आप किसी भी successful 40-year-old.
Third, baby boomers were the first.
Okay, third.
First
Correct.
and was I am, by the way, because psychology student, I read up on this generations way back in 2010. I was so intrigued.
Yeah. No, so I'm saying in a single family, I'm not about the generation that is every 15 years. I'm saying in a single family, my grandfather existed in British rule India. My father was born around before or after independent India. So he becomes the first generation of an independent country.
So you are second and third.
Correct. So in that sense, he was still finding our feet. तो जिसको भी तुम पूछोगे ना तो सबकी वही स्ट्रगल है, सिमिलर है. बिकॉज आधे से ज्यादा देश गरीब था, 90% घर नहीं है, तो वो जो रोटी कपड़ा मकान वाली अब वो स्ट्रगल नहीं है. सो कमिंग बैक टू आवर पॉइंट, जेनजीज कैन अफोर्ड टू से नो टू समथिंग because firstly that is why they don't get disciplined into it. I feel that discipline is not there, and then there is that reason of overstimulation कि यार तुम
They've also seen the past generation. They've seen how the previous generations are burnt out, how nothing really, and also what are like today. There's so much inflation.
Yeah.
And मतलब इतना capitalist हो गया, लेकिन फिर भी it's so difficult to have a house of your own.
yes
For most people, it's not even something that they can think of. So they are feeling like, why do we even need to work?
correct, they are saying यार नहीं होगा ही नहीं कभी लाइफ में मुझसे 4 करोड़
parents generation, like I feel millennials are the most burnt out because we grew up with the promise of what our parents achieved.
correct
Ghar banega, you have a job, you get kids, and you get married, get a house, and then have kids. But by the time the kids came in, they were also given copy paste the same.
correct the same
But
value.
everything changed. We have really seen the change of everything.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
Gen Zs or the generations after that, they are coming into a world where the old world does not exist.
doesn't exist, so telling them about those values doesn't exist and expecting them to follow those values. But having said that, जैसे मैं सोचता हूँ, अब जैसे बीच में भी कभी बात हुई है, निकला था जिक्र एक्टर्स का ही कि you worked with Shahrukh Khan apparently as economists, capitalists and people who are making films are saying Shahrukh Khan is the last superstar because now there will not be a superstar. Like sometimes they say the same thing about even in sports that Virat Kohli or like a Sachin Tendulkar and then a Virat Kohli are the last best because अब इतना हो चुका है, तुम इतना कर रहे हो कि you will firstly burn out, secondly you will not get the opportunity to stay consistent and endure, which
and
is what
have long run.
yeah, because the endurance, the longevity that a Shahrukh has shown from right from the late 80s or whatever 90s to right now and then still command that. अब वो मुझे शैलो लगता है, मुझे फ्लेकी, मगर वो सर्कमस्टेंसेस हैं, उनके पास इतनी इन्फॉर्मेशन है आज की जनरेशन के पास कि वो 4 चीजें ये करेंगे, छोड़ देंगे, फिर एक माइक्रो ओटीटी ड्रामा, एक्टर्स की भी बात कर रहा हूँ, फिर सडनली कुछ फिर खुद का चैनल चालू करेंगे, फिर उनके पास इंस्टा पे फॉलोअर्स होंगे तो उसकी एंडोर्समेंट. कोई वहां पहुंचने वाला है जहां शाहरुख खान है आज कि कमांड करे कि यार दिस इज व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, 100 बैंड्स आई एम एंडोर्सिंग, 1000 फिल्म्स आई हैव डन एंड माय ऑरा ऑन स्टेज. अभी किसी का वो बचा ही नहीं है. और क्या वो बिल्ड हो सकता है? मुझे लगता है वो उनकी गलती नहीं है, वो सर्कमस्टेंसेस ही वैसे हैं कि अब द इंडस्ट्री इज मूव टू दैट, द इंडस्ट्री इज मूव टू समथिंग दैट वी वर आल्सो टॉकिंग अबाउट, व्हिच इज माय नेक्स्ट स्ट्रीम ऑफ कन्वर्सेशन विद यू. हाउ गुड आर यू विद इंस्टाग्राम एंड सोशल मीडिया?
I think I'm good. मैं उसको हावी नहीं होने देती अपने पे. I'm not like somebody who, it's not caught me. I don't
Like,
know.
do you find yourself scrolling for 2-3 hours?
Yes, I do.
So then it has caught you. Hello.
No, it has caught me in that sense. But if you, I thought you're asking me कि as an actor कि ये करना है वो करना है, मैं उस sense से देख.
हाँ वो भी वो. So as a consumer and as a
As a consumer, तो I'm fully, they've consumed me fully.
completely.
And I'm willingly. Like I am giving my free time willingly. I'm not saying, oh my God, मेरा time कहाँ चला गया?
You're choosing to do
I'm
it.
choosing to do it when I want to, and when I want to keep the phone away, I read a book.
Correct.
And I, do simple, or I watch. There are birds that come to my house. I sit and watch them. Bombay में ये luxury कहाँ मिलती है? Sparrows coming and living in the
Parrots,
house.
sparrows.
Yes. So yeah, but how good I am with Instagram, I don't put pressure on myself. I am not one of those ki मैंने वो किया हुआ है that some time back ki 30 minutes and that's it. I will not watch Instagram more than this. But I feel like you need to know what's happening in your world because of the industry we come from. We need to know कि क्या work कर रहा है, cringe कितना चल रहा है. अगर मैं Instagram पे रहूं ही नहीं, मैं अपने bubble में रहूंगी.
Awareness ही नहीं होगी फिर.
बिल्कुल awareness नहीं होगी because I will think मैं जो कर रही हूँ मेरे को पता ही नहीं होगा बाहर की दुनिया में या real दुनिया में what is working, what is not working. So I may be consuming memes and sharing it with friends and family, but I am also absorbing how our media is changing.
That's very
interesting. Yeah.
The trends.
So you're looking at it from
a different lens. Yeah. One very important segment in our show brought to you by our sponsors, Vision Express, which makes amazing glasses.
Wow.
So you can go and check them out. But Vision Express का question of the day है आपके लिए. With the advent of AI, a lot of jobs are going out. हमें पता है कि क्या-क्या हो रहा है बाकी की industries में, whether it's chartered accountancy, whether it's computing, engineering, whatever else. How safe are actors?
I think AI does eventually want to replace humans from doing everything. Not want to, but that's what the endeavor is, that make life so easy that everything is possible with AI and humans don't need to work.
Correct. So how far do you think actors are? Are actors safe in the advent of AI?
So I have seen some AI work, and of course they are trying their best to get the human emotions into an AI as acting. But मुझे नहीं लगता कि it may coexist. But I don't think it will completely wipe out actors unless someone has that devious plan to, make actors just sit at home and कोई नहीं होना चाहिए and we should control. अगर वैसा कोई devious plan है, तो आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो. But why it will never wipe out actors, according to me, is because there is acting is about the eyes.
Correct.
That's it. And
I have been arguing this for the longest time with people who are ardent followers and supporters of AI, and I'm saying AI is a tool. I understand that, but continue. Acting is about the eyes.
It's about the eyes, and even if you say that no, AI can get that feeling in the eye, how will you replicate what a human body, your organs, your cells, what they go through to come to that? It's a combination of learned, a learned way of acting. It's a combination of that actor's conditioning. It's a combination of that actor's environment. It is the combination of the actor trying to be empathetic to the director or the storyteller and saying, I need to do this story this way for his appreciation. It's a lot of in the moment creation.
And it's layered with all of these things.
It's layered, and it is so in the moment that it may not be difficult for AI to do it, but an actor or somebody who follows cinema will always, I think, be able to tell that something is amiss. You may not be able to say this is AI, but you will say, maza nahi aaya. It didn't touch my heart, because acting or storytelling. What is storytelling? Storytelling is, we are all storytellers at heart. Of course, AI can tell us great stories, but वो जो stories होती है ना, जो हम फैमिली में बैठे होते हैं, ठंडी है, कंबल लिए हुए हैं, cousins बैठे हैं और किसी ने story सुनाई भूत की, story telling का मजा, वो उनके जो आप सोचेंगे fumes निकल रहे हैं, energies आ रही हैं, ये it's a combination of all that. That can't be replicated by AI. Of course, AI can pick everything, and AI I read up on what Elon Musk was saying about AI, and he says it's for assisting humans.
Tool.
We don't, yeah,
It's a tool.
we don't want it to ever, the humans have to feed it the right thing. So I will come back that if someone has the devious plan to wipe out actors or writers or technicians, yes, then you can sell anything, because I think our audience is very, very innocent.
Correct.
वो आप जो भी sell करोगे, they'll buy it. Yeah, they want to be entertained. They are not here to sit with as art appreciators and connoisseurs of art. Ki,
Yeah.
we disapprove of this. No, they just want to go, have a good time and come back and not give it too much thought. But the performances that are remembered, the performances that stand the test of time,
Yeah.
the actors or musicians or dancers that we remember are people who were naked in
Yeah.
front of the camera.
And that human touch, no? Like in Japanese, there is a term called wabi-sabi. Wabi-sabi is the imperfection
Right.
in art. कि आप जब पेंट करोगे किसी कप पे, तो वो कर्वेचर जो होगा ना, वो भले कितना भी एंगुलर और जितना भी फॉर्मूला के साथ हो, मगर वो एक ह्यूमन ब्रश से बन रहा है, तो थोड़े से स्ट्रोक्स अलग होंगे. अगर आप एक धुन बजा रहे हो, whatever you're doing. So I'll give you a simple example. Actors, like you said, it's in the eyes. That's why I give you a high five, because the whole point of telling a story is taking your audience through a journey of emotions.
Yeah.
An actor can evoke an emotion in me just through the eyes. And even if the entire face is seen, I am still first subconsciously going to look at her eyes.
Yes.
If she's in love with the guy, I'm going to fall in love with the idea of her being in love with her and therefore wanting them together.
Yes.
If she hates a guy who is being mistreating her, I'm going to look at her eyes and start hating the guy because she is looking at him through that lens. If she's smiling, her eyes are smiling. When she's crying or feeling sad, her eyes are sad without tears. ये आप कितना भी AI से कराने की कोशिश करोगे, अगर मुझे वो पता है ना कि वो एक्टर नहीं है, क्योंकि हमें कैसे पता होता है? हमें पता है शाहरुख खान एक एक्टर है, क्योंकि शाहरुख खान पर्दे के बाहर भी हमें पता है. जब आप एक पिक्चर बनाओगे AI के साथ, वो किरदार आपके उस फिल्म के बाहर नहीं होंगे. जैसे ही वो नहीं होंगे, आपकी सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में, आपके जहन में वो बात नहीं रहेगी कि वो किसी इंसान ने किया है. जैसे ही वो इंसान ने नहीं किया हो, तो आपके लिए वो मैकेनिकल हो जाएगा, वो कनेक्शन नहीं रहेगा. तो AI से फिल्में बन सकती हैं, मगर AI से ना फिल्में वो रिप्लेस नहीं हो सकती, क्योंकि वो फीलिंग ही रिप्लेस नहीं हो सकता.
Yeah. Also, I think appreciating art is
Correct.
appreciating life. So the reason why we are drawn to stories, we are drawn to superstars,
Yes.
we are drawn because we see in them, ठीक है, hero worshipping and all सही है, अपनी जगह है, but we see in them that somebody, this person has, you know, they've made their dreams come true.
Yeah.
So I do feel like AI will be there and it will coexist and they'll try their level best to sort of not give power to actors.
Yeah.
यही सब चाहते हैं कि किसी के पास power ना हो, उन्हीं के पास power हो.
Correct.
So that will happen, but I don't think it can completely take over. If it takes over, then we're living in a doomed society. I would say that. If it takes
But-
over, if it's appreciated, you know, then what happens? That means that your people, citizens or wherever of the world,
Humanity.
have become emotionless and they have become numb.
Immune to,
Numb.
yeah.
You silenced their feelings and emotions. Then AI can be great.
तो ये बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग बात कही है, because I think the extended Vision Express question to somebody who's just said something which I wanted to discuss for a long time is, do you see that happening where we go as mankind on the verge of becoming completely numb? क्योंकि वो facilitate होगा, वो available होगा.
वो अभी भी हो रहा है.
तो अगर गाड़ी में कोई ड्राइवर नहीं है, उससे इमोशन नहीं है, उससे थोड़ा सा एक सरप्राइज है, वो मैं समझ रहा हूँ. अगर मेरी
I
अकाउंट
meant to say in another way, you know what is happening? We are already, it's already a scary place
बोलो.
because of social media. आप scroll कर रहे हो, आपने देखा ये यहाँ इस country में bomb गिरा है. You feel bad for 5 seconds. You see another reel, you're laughing.
Yeah.
You see another reel, you're going reflecting on yourself. Then you see another reel, oh, ways to make money. Then you see another reel, oh, great recipe, I'll try this tomorrow. You have forgotten your humanity for the first time.
In 1 minute, you've gone through everything, and suddenly you're
That's
like
why
this.
you become numb.
Do you think there is something intrinsically right and wrong in the world? It's a very deep question, but
I don't know. But I do feel like I mean, when you say world, I look at it as nature.
yeah, but even human action. I'm talking about human action.
No, I think intrinsically all human beings are made up of love. They want to give love and they want to receive love. That has been my experience with with the hardest person,
Yeah.
hardest of
The
person.
most cruel person that the world looks at cruel.
Also,
Yeah.
you know, like I somebody was, you know, मतलब मैंने बहुत पहले, again, inner voice.
Yeah.
Nobody has taught me this. I was in school when I figured, you know, like what is love, you know, and then of course growing up when I became an actor, people ask, what do you think of love and all of that, and I truly believe, and with experience, with practical experience, I've seen love is omnipresent. Even in the lack of love, there is love. I'll tell you how. Even if someone is angry and you ask that person 5 reasons to why you're angry, they will reach a point where they say, because this didn't happen with me. And what is that thing? That is a feeling of hope, love, peace, or belonging.
No, come again. Again?
Like any person, suppose someone is angry, you know, someone is throwing something over here, and you say, why are you angry? Because that person didn't speak to me properly. Okay, so why is that bothering you? Because it hurt me. You know, they spoke to me in front of everyone. Okay, but did it hurt you that they spoke to you in front of everyone? Or, you know, what is the reason? No, because when I was younger, you know, it could be anything. Or you know, since 5 days, everyone's screaming at me. So why is that making you, can't you be stronger than that? No, I need someone to tell me that I'm okay.
Yeah.
And that goes back to what? Love. I just need someone.
They want to be seen and understood and cared for and loved.
Everyone.
And if you give them that much, then their actions, which we condemn as cruel,
Yeah.
will not be cruel.
I mean, ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा controversial हो जाएगा, but because I'm a psychology student and I have studied books on psychology, there is a psychology behind every human being.
Yeah.
You know, even criminals, you know, who have done things that they should remain in prison for, even they get a chance to exhibit their humanity.
Yeah.
You know, they get a shrink who comes and talks to
Yeah.
them. They get lawyers who want to reach them. And or you know, आजकल हम सब इतने वो देखते हैं, so many documentaries. There was a documentary about a killer. I remember, there were 2 parts. एक fiction documentary थी Jeffrey Dahmer की. और मैंने fiction वाला नहीं देखा. I saw the documentary.
The real, हाँ.
And what I saw, I'm not saying the guy was right. No, he was messed up. But I saw in him that he was trying to tell his, वो shrink थे या जो भी थे उनको मिलने जो आते थे, he was trying to tell him that there is something wrong in me. Help me.
There is an awareness and a willingness to say कि मुझे कुछ करो.
He had an awareness, you know, that in societal terms, we will look at it as, oh, demonic, and look at him, he's this and that. Correct. Everybody should look at it like that because it's not normal. But that guy, just individually, if you see him, he was trying to help these people say, I fooled you. Don't let someone else fool you. Don't let anyone else do what I did. See, I did this, I did this, I did this. Because he, like, when you see the documentary, he's talking from a very, like, I want to help you.
Yeah.
You know, so I mean, and that is a very extreme case. I'm not going to stand up for any of them, but I'm saying just generally, love is at the bottom of everything and everyone. So I feel like any negative emotion is also stemming from an absence of love. And bottom of it is
love. Final question to you before we wrap up, and I will have counter questions once you say something about it. Do you believe in karma?
Of course I do.
Okay, lovely. Spoon for toss. So, karma is based on a very simple...
What do you think about karma?
I don't.
Oh,
I don't.
You don't?
Because it is... evidence shows. See, I believe in nothing, by the way. I do not have a belief system. It is extremely difficult for me to survive in day-to-day life because I have nothing to fall back on except evidence.
But you would believe, I think, in individualism?
Well, that's not a belief system. That is something that exists. No, individuals exist.
That exists for you.
No, individuals.
For me, it's very hard to. That's why I'm asking.
Correct, but it's
not
not
even individualism. Like I am responsible, or like, do you have that belief?
It's not. That's what I'm saying. So the scientific, yes, individualism is something that I abide by, but I can't call it a belief because I know that it's ingrained in me. अभी किसी चीज का अगर तुम्हें knowledge हो ना, तो उसको बिलीव नहीं किया जाता. I don't believe there is a cup here. You know what I'm trying to say? बहुत stupid example है. There is a cup here. So I don't believe in individualism because individualism is ingrained in me. I can feel it. I can say it's there. But is it the objective truth? So I come back to karma being objectively applicable to the world.
Okay.
Now, what goes around
Comes around.
comes around
Yeah.
is karma for me. In basic एक line में बोलना जाए तो जो तुम जैसा जैसा बोओगे वैसा वैसा पाओगे. As you sow, so shall you reap. But there are millions of lives and incidences and instances where we see that people are getting away with the most cruelest of acts.
Yeah.
And there are certain people, some children somewhere in certain countries or regions who for no fault of theirs are dead. Now, unless karma can objectively be applicable to everything in life, which it is clearly not in these cases, then I can't believe in something just because it will give me peace of mind. Of course, I'm a good person. That is again an antithesis ki yaar, I don't believe in karma, but that doesn't mean I go around slapping people, mistreating people, abusing people, killing people. For me to do good deeds, I don't need karma. I have, maybe it is individualism jaise aapne kaha. So when you believe in karma, how do you tackle with these instances जहाँ लोग इतने हरामी हैं, इतने बुरे हैं, and nothing happens to them for ages?
Yeah.
They will probably die of old age.
Yeah.
And there are kids, 4-year-olds, 5-year-olds in the Middle East, in Africa, who are dying at the age of 6 or 7 for no fault of theirs. How will karma ever, or the supporters of karma ever be able to explain that? How do you explain that?
I can, but I don't want to, because it's so grave, it's so sad, and it's a very hard pill to swallow for anyone, whether you believe in karma or you don't.
Yeah.
These things, see, it shouldn't happen to anyone. Like I feel for Nirbhaya also.
Yeah.
It's
यार जब वो सुबह निकली थी,
exactly.
उसके खुद के माँ बाप को, उसके पते में जितने लोग रहते, उसके एड्रेस के आसपास, किसी को भी उसका एम था कि क्या होगा कल सुबह तक,
कैसे होगा
और क्या क्या गुजर, किस चीज से. She is a normal girl. She is you, her. She is just a normal girl living her normal life, day-to-day business. She is not even gone to some Mount Everest. Okay, you can say, oh, you've tackled a dangerous. It is a city that you're in the capital of a country. You're living your life. How does karma justify that?
I mean, even someone who believes in karma, the beauty of all of this is that you do question it, and you have the capacity to question these things.
Yeah.
It's not wrong to question it. So I have questioned it, and I've got answers, but those answers, again, I am not here to...
Like you said, it's disturbing. And
it's
sad.
disturbing. So I'm not going to give answers simply because, I have also not made my peace with any of
Justification nahi hai.
And the only thing that I can say is that some things you're not meant to make peace with. Some things you're not meant to be okay with. You are meant, there is cruelty in the world so that goodness can rise. I'm not taking away कि वो होना चाहिए. बिल्कुल नहीं होना चाहिए. But है तो सब कुछ man-made ही ना. It is one man's evilness that makes him do or them do something so devastatingly, atrocious and just absolutely heinous, whether it's children, whatever happens. And many things happen, like kids are born and they die.
Yeah.
Or someone's having
tsunami, an earthquake,
or the Titanic.
The
fact that they were all going and whatever, and it's sad.
Suddenly.
So there are all these things that happen which you...
Or this aircraft, man.
The aircraft.
What is that visual?
Yes.
It is flying in front of you. And my dad used to fly for 30 years in Air India.
Yeah. And it went into a school.
Imagine that. And then there are people who are eating their lunch, students, medical students.
How do you explain these things? You
Through
don't.
karma or through जैसा बोओगे वैसा पाओगे. अभी किसने क्या बोया था यार वहाँ पे?
नहीं, so like I said, I'm a very small cog in this big wheel of life to even have a comment on this. When things like that happens, it is the responsibility of the good people of the earth to raise the vibrations of the earth.
Step up.
It is and it's not even an action. Your action can be कि आप charity कर रहे हो, पर आप दिल में गाली दे रहे हो उस इंसान को. So it doesn't matter. I'm saying screw the action. अपने vibrations बढ़ाओ, like pray for सात समंदर पार जो atrocities हो रही है, जहाँ you are helpless. We are all helpless. We are helpless about everything, but we have so much information, and we feel so pulled down. We feel like, oh my God, what's the point of even existing?
And you can't contribute to any of them.
We can't. So the least we can do, and actually that is the most impactful. It is raise the vibration.
Formations.
You raise your vibration. I will raise the vibration of 5 people around me. They'll raise the vibration of 10 people around them.
Yeah.
That is how the world changes. The world is not changed by evil people. Evil keeps happening.
Yeah.
The world is changed by good people, and good is always suppressed. Good is never given a Rajgaddi.
Correct.
Never.
कर्मा इनफैक्ट एक्सप्लेन्स फेयरनेस. सिंह तुम अच्छे होगे तुम्हारे साथ अच्छा होगा, तुम बुरे होगे तुम्हारे साथ बुरा होगा. जो बुरे हैं उनके साथ जब अच्छा होते होते कुछ नहीं हो रहा, और जो अच्छे थे वो कभी ना कभी निकल लिए, और कर्मा एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर पा रहा, तो मेरे लिए कर्मा ट्रूथ नहीं है. मैं कर्मा को फिर भी एज अ स्कूल ऑफ थॉट स्टडी करता हूँ. मेरे पास एक पूरा चैप्टर है on karma in my book. You should read my book because it's talking about karma as a chapter,
Right.
where it says cause and effect, karma and its defect. Because yes, you want to make sense out of it.
Right.
So then you bring past life. Why? Because in this life she didn't deserve it. Surely.
Yeah.
Surely.
Didn't
So
deserve it.
surely there has to be a reason why a 6-year-old kid has died. Surely. That surely makes us want to come up
No,
with
I don't
something.
think there is any reason that.
No. Then that soul. Then you come to that soul part, and when you
some
say,
things are painful, then let's leave it at
and
that.
karma can't explain.
And karma can't explain.
And
it.
I've even had arguments with God. There was देखो हर बच्चा ना,
I was just going to say God also, I think, can't.
you can question it, but there are no answers that are coming. After a point when there are no answers coming, you have to let it go.
Yeah.
That is how I've let things go. I was not born an atheist. I wasn't born a skeptic. I was born and brought up in a family, a religious family in India, with all those prayers and all those rituals and everything.
But you know that the future of this world is going to be a lot of people becoming atheists.
They will know, because if you are sensible enough to say, मैं ना करता हूँ कोशिश इसके साथ, but ये समझा नहीं पा रहा, कभी तो होगा ना 10वीं बार जब वो समझा नहीं पा रहा.
नहीं, समझा तो सकते हैं, but
इसके आंसर्स
I think some things are just beyond.
वो समझा नहीं पा रहा, वो beyond is समझा नहीं पाना.
But faith, आप कैसे समझे? It's so intangible.
No, it is not, because it's got a rule book. All faiths have a rule book.
No.
They have do's and don'ts. There are in any
Hinduism does not have do's and don'ts.
because Hinduism is again
Ray of light.
it's not a religion.
Yeah.
Hinduism was defined because other religions came into this land. That is why Hindus have different gods in South India, different gods in North India, different festivals, different music, different things to do, because all of them are not the same. हुआ क्या ना?
Hinduism is basically, they always, I mean, yes, you're right, that the different gods and all came in, but you know, at the end of it, if you sit for any puja, we are worshipping grains and we are worshipping
Nature.
That's what I'm saying.
Correct. And you said it at the start.
Hinduism is just law of nature.
No, but that's not what all Hindus think, na. That is.
Of course they don't, yeah, because 90% are following. आप खुद बैठ के, if you sit and you yourself, like when I sit for a puja, I paid attention. We are praying to grains. We are praying to rice. We are praying to this animal or leaves or these whatever.
Rain.
Moon.
Because we know how essential they are to our lives. We figured it. Our ancestors figured it long ago.
That is Hinduism. And then the various gods were given because India is spread over whatever, you know, the vast.
But that's paganism, which multi-deity worship. That all started defined as Hinduism simply because other people came and said, ये हमारी किताब है, ये हमारे लीडर है, तो तुम लोग कौन हो? तो all of us looked at each other, saying तू अलग है, ये मगर हम वो नहीं है ना, तो हम एक है. हम वो हैं जो तुम नहीं हो. वो हिंदुइज्म है जो वाल्केश्वर में हो रहा है, जो सिद्धिविनायक में हो रहा है, जो हिमालय के तट पे हो रहा है, जो यहाँ हो रहा है, जो वहां हो रहा है, विठोबा का जो, अब ये सब अलग अलग है. इनकी थॉट प्रोसेसेस अलग है. नहीं, at the root it is all the same. At the root it is the same, but they had different practices.
That's because they're catering to different regions.
Whatever it is. But then came a bunch of people saying, this is Jesus, this is our book, these are the do's and don'ts. What do you all have? And we all are looking at each other saying, we are what you all are not. So we are together.
I don't think so. I think Hinduism said, okay, you have Jesus, that's great. Because I've never read any material which sort of says that okay, this is different than us.
No, it's I'm saying it as if it's a dramatic scene playing out, but it's not how it played out.
Yeah.
You don't identify as that.
But I feel like the impression that I've always got of our, and that's why I feel we are most tolerant, is because आप एक हिंदू परिवार में जाओगे, वहाँ पे जीसस क्राइस्ट का भी फोटो हो रहा है.
Correct, because हमारे पास
we are not-
वो definite किताब
Because we have so many gods.
Yes.
They are very tolerant.
and
They are very broad.
and our capacity of our idea of God, like you said, is from a grain and an ant to the rain and the sun. तो हमारे आइडिया ना इतनी डाइल्यूटेड नहीं है कि एक किताब में और एक चीज में रह जाए.
Humility is at the core of everything, because you are saying, I pray to the grain,
So-
I pray to the ground, I pray to Tulsi.
Correct.
It's a plant.
Correct.
I pray
A
to
shrub.
the sun.
A shrub and then a solar system's planet.
So it's humility. No?
But-
You're saying, you're keeping yourself small. You're not saying, I pray to this God, so I'm big. You're saying, I pray to you, I pray to your vastness, I pray to your bigness, I pray to, whatever big capacity that you have with which you are throwing light or rain or...
I am just a mere soul existing in these forces. For me, that is what.
I mean,
the grain is keeping me alive.
That
The
piece is connected to the universe.
But आज की तारीख
That's how I look at it.
आज की तारीख में हो क्या रहा है? To define something that is being defined by a book is easy. To define what you're talking about in our landscape is becoming more and more difficult. You said it so purely. There is a sense of like there is an endearing quality to how you defined the religion that I am also born in. But once everyone around you is not practicing that, then you're thinking, तो फिर वो उसकी definition वो नहीं है, वो हमारी है.
They're so busy fighting, nobody wants
Correct.
to listen.
Correct.
So it's okay. Let them fight. Let them keep fighting. And eventually they will all come down to love, peace. And
जब तक वो होगा तब तक काफी सारी जानें जा चुकी होंगी, वो प्रॉब्लम.
but you can't stop it because someone is orchestrating it.
Yeah.
It's not happening on its own.
Again, but somebody is orchestrating it because there are people who are succumbing.
always-
If somebody tells you, मैं गारंटी के साथ बोलता हूँ कि आपको किसी ने बहुत ही इम्पैक्टफुल प्रोवोकेटिव स्पीच दी ना, तो भी आप नहीं तलवार उठा के जाओगे स्ट्रीट पे. कोई भी मजहब हो आपका, कोई भी कुछ भी हो, मैं भी नहीं जाऊंगा.
That's not a solution.
बट लोग जा रहे हैं क्योंकि लोगों में वो क्षमता नहीं है. लोगों में वो क्षमता किस तरह से आएगी? उनके साथ बात करके. अभी मैं जब बात करने जाऊंगा तो सबसे पहले मैं क्या करूंगा? मैं सबसे पहले भगवान को सीन से हटा दूंगा. उसी से तुम्हारी क्षमता बढ़ती है. क्यों? क्योंकि आपका भगवान पर्सनल है. इसीलिए आप ना उस झांसे में नहीं आओगे, क्योंकि आपको वो बेचा ही नहीं जा सकता. क्योंकि आप ऑलरेडी क्लोज्ड हो. आपने बोला मेरा शटर डाउन है बॉस, तू मुझे ये बेच ही नहीं सकेगा. तो लोगों को जो बेचा जा रहा है ना, उनको सबसे पहले वो दुकान से निकालना है जहां पे उनको वो बेचा जा रहा है.
वो नहीं, आप नहीं निकाल सकते.
कर सकते हैं.
वो हिप्नोटाइज किया हुआ है.
नहीं तो हिप्नोटाइज उल्टी तरह से भी हो सकता है. कर सकते हैं हम, कर सकते हैं. देयर हैव बीन पीपल हु ट्राइड इट. आई एम गोइंग टू ट्राई एंड अटेम्प्ट इट. लाइक यू सेड, हमारी एक छोटी सी जर्नी है इस प्लेनेट पे.
And we can-
हम जो भी कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हैं वो करेंगे. तो ये मैंने सोच लिया है. Because I find life.
I look at a lot of I've read this book, Autobiography of a Yogi, Yoganand Paramahansa, and all these saints, उसमें बहुत सारे हैं that he met this yogi, that yogi, and I've seen one thing common in all of them. उन्होंने अपनी जिंदगी ना किसी को कन्वर्ट करने में नहीं बदली. उन्होंने अपनी जिंदगी बस I'm talking about these particular saints. They have just lived. Like today, I have such a strong, or Neem Karoli Baba, I have such strong visuals of these people in my mind. Simple people. They have no big aspirations, nothing. But they are still, we are still pulled towards that energy.
Correct.
Why? Because they exhibited life just by living. Like the life force, urja जिसे कहते हैं, वो उनमें इतनी strong है. They didn't, I don't think they wasted time in making anybody believe what they were believing.
Yes.
They simply lived it. And
Yeah.
I want to achieve that. I want to just live.
They are the
so
best
that
examples of human being. How a human being can be. पता है विडम.
Idealist.
करेक्ट. बट आइडियल भी नहीं, वो ह्यूमन भी. अगर सब बन गया ना तो आइडियल नहीं होगा.
हाँ.
उनका कहना ही वो था कि अगर मैं नीम करोली बाबा लो, साई बाबा लो, सब नॉर्मल लोग हैं. नॉर्मल मतलब डे टू डे.
मुझे उनमें ना एक आनंद, एक जॉय दिखता है.
बुद्धा.
Yeah, Buddha. They have the joy of living. They're just happy to be living.
बट अब सबसे बड़ी विडंबना क्या है? सबसे बड़ी विडंबना है कि लोग इन्हीं को भगवान मानते हैं. यही विडंबना है. यही मैं कह, उनको रिस्पेक्ट करना, मैं भी ऑफ कोर्स रिस्पेक्ट करता हूँ. मैं बुद्धा को भी रिस्पेक्ट करता हूँ. बट बुद्धा ने कहा कि यार तुम ना डेटी वर्शिप नहीं, डेटी वर्शिप मत करो। इसीलिए बुद्धिज्म का निर्माण हुआ हिंदुइज्म के बीच में, जहां तुम भगवान की मूर्तियां मत लगाओ।
Yeah.
पता है दुनिया में सबसे ज्यादा मूर्तियां किसकी है?
बुद्धा।
यही बड़ी, क्योंकि इतने मूर्ख हैं हम। बट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, नहीं, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट टेम्पल्स। देखिए, गो टू जापान, चाइना, साउथ एशिया, देयर आर बुद्धास एवरीवेयर टू
Yeah.
प्रे टू।
The whole point that he was trying to say was there is a Buddha in all of you.
Correct.
जो मैंने अपने अंदर महसूस किया है वो आपके अंदर भी है।
तुम करोड़ों का सोना पहन के जा रहे हो शिरडी, साईं बाबा के पैर छू रहे हो, उन्होंने 2 कपड़े पहने हैं, उनकी ह्यूमिलिटी तुमने इम्बाइब नहीं की। तुम खाली यहाँ से शिरडी जा रहे हो अपनी मर्सिडीज, BMW, जिसमें भी, उधर भी तुम पैसे देकर VVIP लाइन ले रहे हो, तो वो पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट भी रॉन्ग है। वो बंदा क्या बोल के गया, कैसे जी के गया, तुम वैसा जीने की कोशिश करो तो तुम उसके भक्त हुए। वो तो अब कहीं नहीं रहा। इसीलिए मैं कहता हूँ वो मूर्खता को निकालना है ना अगर, तो उस दुकान में घुसना पड़ेगा जहाँ लोग हैं।
ऑल द बेस्ट टू यू। उस दुकान में मैं तो नहीं घुस,
मैं मेरी किताब लेके घुसूंगा। हाँ, हो सकता है कि मैं भी मर जाऊं, हो सकता है कि मेरा सोक्रेटिस हो जाए,
नहीं
मुझे विश दिया जाए, बट है
नहीं कुछ नहीं होगा, सब अच्छा ही होगा। But yeah, I do feel like it's I feel like people are, you can talk to people. Like I've also had a lot of discussions with, I mean, religion for me is very personal.
Yeah.
But I think humanity is universal.
at the core of it.
And humanity पे बात करी जा सकती है लोगों से, रिलीजन पे ना ही बात करे तो बेटर होगा।
बट ह्यूमैनिटी पे बात करने के लिए सबसे पहले उनके दिमाग से रिलीजन को हटाना पड़ेगा।
रिलीजन को हटा नहीं सकते आप। द मोमेंट यू से ना, मतलब ये यू कैन कट इट एंड ऑल दैट, बट द मोमेंट यू टेल पीपल रिलीजन को हटाओ, दे बिकम अल्ट्रा डिफेंसिव।
यस,
सो डोंट डू दैट। से लेट्स टॉक अबाउट ह्यूमैनिटी।
वो रिलीजन को रखते हुए नहीं हो सकता, मैंने देख लिया।
यू नो, बट डोंट अप्रोच रिलीजन ओनली। से मैं रिलीजन की बात ही नहीं कर रहा हूँ,
उसको बाजू में रखो।
Oh, they will be lost.
करेक्ट, बिकॉज उसको बुलाओ ही मत इस conversation।
They will say, what? But if you say ना इसको हटाओ, they will attack you.
Correct.
But you say, I just want to talk about humanity. I want to talk about humanity. Religion, but बाद में बात करें।
हाँ, उसको रहने दो बाजू में, साइड में।
Then they'll say, अच्छा ठीक है, he is open to it.
He is keeping it.
Yes.
You're not throwing it out.
Moment you go to talk to them as an atheist, and then you say religion को side पे करो, they're like, how dare you? This is what I believe in.
वहीं पे प्रॉब्लम है।
But don't do it, ना approach. You have
थोड़ा
since you want to get into that.
Correct, थोड़ा चतुर बनना पड़ेगा।
हाँ, तो you have to approach them in a way with kids' gloves, because there's too much. They are being, you know, fed a lot.
They've been brainwashed, in fact.
Yeah.
So I think this is going to be one of the most profound discussions. मैं भी करता हूँ, करो। कितनी बार करना है? एक ही बार? No, I think it will be one of the first ones which will be probably having 2 episodes, a part 1 and a part 2. None of my other podcasts have been that. And I think this one has the international appeal because I haven't spoken to this wonderful human being here, this wonderful lady here who's also a gem of an actor. I haven't spoken to her about acting. I haven't spoken to her about the struggles of films. I have spoken to her about the most profound things that everyone will relate to, and that is why I feel not just that this will be 2 episodic, I also feel this is the only episode which will be having an international audience, an international fan base, because most of the times our conversation has been in English. I asked you in the morning, okay, but why? It's not a GC, it's my channel, I can do what I want. So that is why I asked you, okay, whatever you're comfortable in, we'll speak in that. So it's going to be probably watched across the world, and I hope that everyone who watches it gets something out of it, because the whole point of doing something like this and getting somebody like her on the podcast is that she can share her points of view, which I value a lot. And because I know from her social media, if you go to her social media, you'll realize she's not doom scrolling like she's admitting. A lot of her posts that she shares, a lot of her stories that she shares have a lot of meaning in it. There is philosophy in it. There is a lot of belief in it. There is a lot of purity in it. And I have been seeing that for now a few years, which I shared, in fact, today with her. Yeah. She did not know of it. So, which is why my choice of guest and the choice of topics with such a guest were those things that she shares normally on her social media. So, Riddhi, it has been brilliant. Yeah, it is taking a little time for me to pronounce your name every time, so I think and say correct. But now I'm doing it because I'm thinking, no. But it has been brilliant, and thank you so much. It has been a wonderful experience.
It has been.
Thank you for your time.
What a great chat.
What a great chat. I hope it is not the same as your earlier podcast
Not at all.
because it is something that I wanted to get.
Most people, I think, and that's the reason I was telling you that I've stopped doing
Correct.
podcasts, because people talk to me at very surface level, and then they like I've had the experience where people are like, wow, it was such a eye-opening conversation. I'm like, ये क्या happening, guys? I'm not here to like bamboozle you. मुझसे like let's have an intelligent conversation.
Correct.
But वो नहीं हुआ है. I've not experienced that.
क्योंकि वो ना आपको फॉलो क्यों करते हैं पता है?
Yeah, because
क्योंकि आप रिद्धि डोगरा हो.
start
बस.
pets.
और वो देख क्या रहे हैं?
हाँ.
इतने फॉलोअर्स हैं. वो ये नहीं देख रहे कि ये बोलना क्या चाहिए.
I
4 दिन इसके पेज पे जाओ, तुम्हें समझ में आएगा.
really decided that's it. I'm not. एक तो ये podcasts are very misleading.
Yeah.
Because most people do interviews and they call it podcast. Where see, like you were adding to the conversation, right? This was majorly helped by you. You were sort of piecing it together.
Yeah.
But most people think that doing an interview is a podcast where they get everything out of you and then that's it. Oh, very true.
Correct.
Moving on. And you're like, "Arey, but talk about it. Why did I share so much?"
Because they don't bring something. हाँ तो ऐसा हुआ तो आपको कैसा लगा?
हाँ.
और फिर आप ही बात कर रहे हो. फिर हाँ तो
That's not a podcast.
Correct.
Like I remember I was talking to someone and I said, what is a podcast? Why are you taking my podcast? Because podcast is either for passing some like podcast के दो ही purposes हैं. या तो आपको कोई truth के बारे में बात करनी है,
हाँ.
या फिर आपको कोई information देनी है.
हाँ.
Whether it's information about history, geography, world affairs, geopolitical बातें हो गई, या फिर you're discussing a truth,
Yeah.
And I feel like this is probably the first time that I've done that. Yeah. So Harshal, thank you so much. Thank you for having me and for having this chat and for making me use my brain also. I deeply appreciate it.
Yes. Thank you so much. क्या देखती पब्लिक, powered by Vision Express.